In this video, I'm going to show you the best websites for phone wallpapers. But before that, we need to discuss how the colors in wallpapers impact our emotions. Let's talk about colors and how they make you feel. Red makes you feel energized and passionate, but sometimes it can come across as aggressive. Blue, if you're not interested in the part about colors, you can skip ahead to the next part using the timestamps. Blue is calming and peaceful, a great choice when you need tranquility. However, it can feel a bit sad at times. Yellow is bright and cheerful. It promotes happiness and fills you with energy. Green is all about relaxation and balance. It's often associated with nature and growth. Purple sparks creativity and feels spiritual. It's also commonly linked to luxury. Orange is warm and exciting. It adds vibrancy to life. But for some, it can be a little overwhelming. Pink is soft and nurturing. It evokes love and a sense of calm. Black is sophisticated and elegant. However, it can sometimes feel heavy or sad. White is pure and peaceful, perfect for simplicity, though it might feel a bit cold or sterile. And finally, brown. It's cozy and grounded, giving a sense of stability, but it can feel a little dull at times. Which color resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Pinterest is an American social media service for publishing and discovering information in the form of pinboards. It includes things like recipes, home decor, style, motivation, and inspiration, all shared using images. Pinterest, Inc. was founded by Ben Silbermann, Paul Ciara, and Evan Sharp. It was officially founded in December 2009 and is headquartered in San Francisco. I will rate this app 5 stars. Next website is called. Before watching the rest of the video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Called Unsplash. Unsplash is a popular stock photo website owned by Getty Images. Over 330,000 photographers contribute to its massive library of 5 million plus photos. Unsplash generates over 13 billion photo impressions monthly, making it a leading photography website. I will rate this app for 0.5 stars. The next website is called Pexels. Pexels is a great place to find free stock photos and videos. They have a huge selection of high-quality images, and everything is beautifully curated. You can use the photos and videos for personal and commercial projects. Pexels also has a community where photographers and videographers can share their work. I will rate this website for stars. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.